Did you know the biggest bank heist in British history started with a simple rental agreement? In 1987, a group of thieves walked into Knightsbridge Security Deposit and rented a safety deposit box. But they weren't there to store valuables. They were casing the joint. For weeks they studied every hallway, every guard rotation, every security weakness. Then came Easter weekend, the perfect time to strike. They returned to the building as customers. Once inside, they pulled out guns and took control. The thieves had keys to the vault, inside knowledge of the alarm system, everything they needed for the perfect crime. They spent hours emptying safety deposit boxes. 60 million pounds in cash, gold, and jewelry disappeared. The police had no leads, no witnesses. The thieves had vanished. But the mastermind couldn't stay quiet. He started bragging about his perfect crime to anyone who would listen, including an undercover police officer. That conversation led to his arrest and the unraveling of the entire crew. Sometimes the biggest weakness in a perfect plan is the criminal's ego.